In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a header or footer in Microsoft Excel 2026. If you've ever printed a worksheet and seen extra text like a title, page number, or date at the top or bottom of every page, that's the header or footer. Removing it is quick, and I'll walk you through it so you can get clean, distraction-free printouts. Start by opening Excel and loading the worksheet where the header or footer appears. Make sure you're on the sheet you actually plan to print, since headers and footers are stored per worksheet. With your sheet open, look to the ribbon at the top and click the Insert tab. This is where Excel keeps tools for adding elements to your sheet, including headers and footers. On the Insert tab, find the text group and choose Header and Footer. The moment you click it, Excel switches into Page Layout view. You'll notice the sheet zooms out a bit and shows three boxes at the very top for the header, left, center, and right, and three similar boxes at the bottom for the footer. This is exactly where the printed content comes from. Click directly into the header or footer section that contains the text or element you want to remove. If you see placeholder codes like in page and date or in file, those are dynamic fields that print as page numbers, dates, or file names. Select whatever appears in the box and press delete or backspace. If there's an image or logo, it may show as a placeholder. Select it and delete as well. Check each of the three boxes in that area, left, center, and right, and clear any content you find. If you only want to remove the header and keep the footer, just clear the header boxes and leave the footer alone. When you've removed what you don't need, click anywhere else on the worksheet to exit the header or footer box. Now switch your view back to normal so you can continue working as usual. You can do that using the view controls at the bottom right of the window by choosing normal, or by going to the view tab on the ribbon and selecting normal there. A quick way to confirm everything looks right is to open Print Preview. If you don't see the old header or footer, you're done. Repeat these steps for any other worksheets that had headers or footers you no longer want. And that's it. Open your sheet, go to Insert, choose Header and Footer, delete the content in the header or footer boxes, and return to normal view. Clean, simple, and ready to print.